Idioms today.
Idioms.
How come you don't eat chicken? Finally, they chopped up the trunk of the tree. He's back on his feet after a long period of debt and unemployment. It looks like we have a clear-cut winner. If you think so, you're out of your mind. Her son is the apple of her eye. She inherited a fortune, so she must have money to burn. Her father footed the bill for the party. There are many good memories I can look back on from high school. Look over your notes before the test. Everyone made fun of him. She got lost in the old part of town. I will pay a visit to my grandma tomorrow. Please bring back my book. The crimes shook up the whole town. Somebody hung the picture upside down. You can always rely on his help. Yesterday, the boss called him on the carpet for being rude to the coworkers. You will pass out if you hold your breath for too long. I'm a little under the weather today. Can you hold down the noise? How did he get in? Finally, they chopped up the trunk of the tree. He's back on his feet after a long period of debt and unemployment. It looks like we have a clear-cut winner. If you think so, you're out of your mind. Her son is the apple of her eye. She inherited a fortune, so she must have money to burn.
Idioms today.
Let's learn natural English.
Listen.
Laters, talk to you soon then. Laters, have a really great day ahead. Later, see you tomorrow then. Coolio, that works for me just fine. Coolio, thanks a lot for helping me out. Coolio, let's continue with this. No biggie, I can fix it easily right now. No biggie, take your time on this. No biggie, it happens sometimes in situations like this. My bad, I read that wrong this time. My bad, I completely forgot to reply earlier today. My bad, I misunderstood it completely just now. I'm cha glad we finished early today and got some rest. I'm cha glad the weather improved a bit today for us. I'm cha glad everything worked out in the end for everyone. What up, good to see you again today, my friend. What up, how's your week going so far these days? What up, ready for lunch right now or still busy? Gotta run right now, sorry for that, I need to go. I gotta run before the traffic starts building up too much. Thanks for everything, gotta run now, see you later. Let me think about that for a quick moment here. Let me think for a moment before I answer properly. Let me think of another good example to explain better. Gimme 5 after we finish this up completely. Gimme 5, we did a really great job today together. Gimme 5, that turned out really well indeed for us. I'm gonna head out in a few minutes from now. We're gonna head out right after lunch today together. She's gonna head out pretty soon from here today. I'm trying to figure out the answer here right now. She's trying to figure out exactly what happened here today. We're trying to figure out the best way forward here. The idea came out of nowhere, completely unexpected today. He appeared out of nowhere suddenly and surprised everyone. Rain started out of nowhere all of a sudden today. I'm kind of busy this afternoon right now, sorry about that. She's kind of busy right now at the moment here. We're kind of busy this week overall with many tasks.
Let's learn American slangs.
Slangs.
He bought a fresh pair of kicks for the basketball game. Those kicks match your jacket perfectly. She spends way too much money collecting rare kicks. You're killing it at your new job already. That band is killin' on stage tonight. She's killin' it in school and getting top grades. I'm kinda tired after staying awake all night. That movie was kinda confusing at the end. She's kinda nervous about the interview tomorrow. She looked like a knockout in that elegant black dress. Everyone noticed the knockout sitting near the window. That actor has always been considered a real knockout. That excuse sounds really lame to me. It was lame that nobody showed up to support him. The party became lame after the music stopped playing. That website is legit and safe for online shopping. Her success story is completely legit and inspiring. This restaurant serves legit Italian food. The party last night was absolutely lit. This concert is going to be lit once the main band arrives. Their vacation photos look lit on social media. That businessman is loaded and owns several luxury cars. She married a loaded entrepreneur from New York. His family became loaded after selling the company. I'm low-key excited about moving to another city.
Let's learn American slangs.
Apply for. Phrasal verbs. Apply for.
A tradução mais direta em português é:
candidatar-se, Exemplos:
Apply for internship. Apply for research opportunities. She is applying for public housing. Stanberry applied for a building permit. When's the deadline to apply for financial aid? She had applied for a number of positions. A total of 25 people applied for the job the next morning. Apply to join SWAT. I applied to 4 colleges. Apply to law schools. You would have to apply to join the EU. He applied to become a physical education teacher.